In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a slide in Google Slides to another presentation. Whether you're a student preparing for a project or a professional crafting a presentation, knowing how to efficiently transfer slides between presentations can save you a ton of time and effort. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do that now. This ensures you have access to your presentations and can make edits. Once signed in, you'll be taken directly to the Google Slides home, where you'll see all of your saved presentations and any shared with you. From here, the next step is deciding which presentation you'll be working on. You can either start a new blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. Google Slides offers a variety of templates, so take a moment to choose one that aligns with your presentation style or theme. If you're copying slides into an existing presentation, go ahead and open the one you need. Once your destination presentation is open, it's time to head back and choose the slide you wish to copy from its original location. If the original slide is part of a presentation you've recently worked on, you'll find it on the Google Slides home. Simply click on that presentation to open it. With your original presentation open, navigate to the specific slide you wish to move. Simply click on the slide in the sidebar on the left to highlight it. Here's a quick tip. To avoid causing any changes to the original slide, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the highlighted slide. This step takes an exact copy of everything on that slide, images, text, and any animations you've applied. Next, switch back to the presentation you prepared earlier where you want this slide to be placed. Click on the desired point in the slide deck where you wish the new slide to appear. You can place it before or after any existing slide, depending on your preference. To paste the slide, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. This step will insert your copied slide into the new deck seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully copied a slide from one Google Slides presentation to another. This technique can significantly streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage information and graphics across different projects. With these steps, you'll be able to create comprehensive and cohesive presentations with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your slideshows with just a few clicks.